Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asghar Ali. I'm working as lecturer at Department of Management Sciences, Virtual University of Pakistan. Today I'm going to start a new module on how to manage qualitative research analysis by using NVIVO software. This software is used for qualitative data analysis. We will have multiple sessions to cover this entire module. We will look at the practical aspects of this software. I'll let you know how to this software step by step in order to manage, organize and analyze data, visualize data and present different reports and so on. And we will also learn how this software can be used for conducting literature review. This is the session 1 of this module. It is about an overview of NVIVO software. Let's look at the outline of this session 1. First of all, we will see what is the nature of qualitative data analysis. Then we will understand what NVIVO software is and how it can help the qualitative researchers to analyze their data, to manage their data and to organize their data. We will also learn what are the system requirements in order to install this software. Then we will see what are the different editions of NVIVO software. Then I'll let you know how to access this software, download it and install into your system. And the final topic for session 1 is how to activate NVIVO software. Let's look at the nature of qualitative research. As we all know, qualitative researchers, they use different types of non-numerical data. That could be interviews, focus group discussions, surveys. Those could be journal articles, web pages and field observations. They do so to explore and evaluate social phenomena. All the data is collected in order to come at a precise and useful conclusion in order to make any decision. So once the data is collected, and that data is very diversified, you have interviews, transcriptions, audios, videos. The next question is, what do you do with it? How do you learn from it? So here comes the role of qualitative data analysis. It is the process of turning such data, that could be interviews and field observations, into useful findings. So there are no formulas and recipes for this process, for which you will need certain skills, knowledge and experience and insights and a willingness, and I would also say a commitment to keep learning and working at qualitative data, turning all the data into useful information. Qualitative researchers, they do work in a range of sectors. They work in social sector, education sector, health sector, business sector and many more. And they do also use certain softwares which helps them to organize, manage and analyze their data efficiently and effectively. Now let's look at NVIVO software. It allows you to classify, sort and arrange many types of non-numerical data. As we just discussed, those could be your notes, observations, PDF files, books, newspaper, websites, audio recordings, video recordings and other documents. It provides an organized storage system to access the data at any time. It also helps to analyze your data and to determine various relationships and identify various themes. The researchers can also visualize the project and draw various models. They can also run various queries, and it also helps to generate various reports. It also helps you to keep your data close. This point is very important. In qualitative research, you would have different types of data, from different sources of data. It means this software will help you to keep your data close all the time. At a single click, you can access your data. Later on, you will see how this software has made the life of qualitative researchers very easy. One thing which is very much important is this software doesn't favor any particular methodology. If you say this software favors case study method, ethnographic study, phenomenology, narrative or grounded theory, then I would say no. It is designed for overall qualitative data, data whether that is conducted in qualitative research whether in case study and whatsoever. It doesn't favor any particular research design. Instead, it could be used in all type of research studies which are qualitative in nature. And certain features also supports mixed method research. Later on in upcoming sessions, we will see how that portion can be used to analyze your data. Now we will see how to access this software. As you can all see, there is one website, that is QSR International. This is the organization which has produced this software. We will see how we can access this software from this international organization. I'll let you know. Just click on the website of QSR International. As you can all see, this is the website of QSR International. There is a NVIVO software. Click on it, learn more, and wait for the result. Now you can see there are different tabs. You can also download trial version initially, and in order to download trial version, click on trial. It will ask you which operating system do you have. If you have Windows operating system, then click on NVIVO 11 for Windows and put the required information, submit it, and then you will be given an access link to download the software. Trial version is valid for 14 days, and if you want to buy this software, I would suggest कि अगर आपका कोई ऐसा thesis है या research project है which cannot be managed in 14 days, then you must buy this software. And there are various options available to buy this software. If you are a student, click on student, and yes, here you can see you can buy it for 12 months in one thing is more important. आपने जो सॉफ्टवेयर खरीदना है, it must be a professional version. As later on I will tell you what are the editions. Mean you need to buy a professional edition of this software. Click on Windows and then see there are three options available. If you click on the professional edition and student edition, the price is changed. So in $120 you can buy student edition from QSR International from their website. Again, moving back towards our presentation. Now we will see how to install and activate NVIVO for Windows. These are the system requirements. It can be installed on Windows 7, 8 and 10 on both system 32 and 64-bit system. So check your system requirements. Now these are the technical requirements which must be present in order to install NVIVO software. Minimum requirements and recommended settings of hardware, and at the end of the slide you can see there are certain additional requirements. जब भी आप सॉफ्टवेयर इंस्टॉल करेंगे, it will ask you to activate N capture. So please keep in mind, जब आपने इंस्टॉल करना है तो N capture को टिक कर देना है आपने. Now what is N capture? I will tell you later. And now we will see what are the three editions available. First edition is starter, which have limited features. Next is the pro means professional, which have more advanced features as compared to starter. And then the last feature and more advanced level of NVIVO software is plus, which is used in highly complex types of data in organization, which works in networks, mean team management and group management. And for you being a student or a practitioner or a researcher, I would recommend professional version is more than enough. It can be used to work with text, audio, video, images, spreadsheets, online surveys, social media and web content. It is very useful to run certain types of queries. It can also create various types of maps, whether that is concept map and project map. Use N capture to quickly and easily capture social media content for analysis. Now how to install this software? ये ज़्यादा पार्ट प्रैक्टिकल है. वंस यू हैव डाउनलोडेड द सॉफ्टवेयर, क्लिक ऑन द सॉफ्टवेयर, read these instructions carefully, install the prerequisites and check your system requirements, accept the license of NVIVO agreement, confirm the location of program files, choose to include an NVIVO icon on your desktop, choose the supplementary add-ons, mCapture, etc. Then it will be installed on your system. Now how to start and activate? These are the technical instructions which you need to follow in order to start and activate this lessons at your system. First of all, I would recommend कि आप इसको 14 days trial version जो है इसका install करें. For trial version you are not required to buy any software. Just trial version को activate कर लें, but उसके लिए initially आपसे वो कुछ information require करेगा, उसको put करें और आपके पास internet connection होना चाहिए in order to activate this software. So thank you very much. This was all about session 1. In session 2 we will practically look at the software. Thank you so much. See you in next session. Allah Hafiz.